buddies had a bed behind my back. They said I couldn't if I tried to break my track. Record gave me 2 weeks, said it wouldn't last. Damn, it never lasts. She's a Dixie down, sipping on an apple vine. I'm a good old boy, shooting straight, homegrown ride. Should've known it never mix whiskey and wine, but I still...
Welcome back to the channel, boys. Glad to have you as always on another Nodak series video. We're back today. Going to clip in a few of the small bits of footage we got yesterday. Had a couple of ducks that were on a pothole down from us and just didn't really want to be in the dry field where we were. Still really cold here. Ground is frozen, as you can see. We're in a frozen cornfield here. Same setup, kind of a mixed bag of mallards, darks, a few snows mixed in. So we're going to get tucked back into this snowbank. See if you guys can see that. Got a snowbank back here where our white sheets blend in perfect. And today's just one of those hunts that reminds me, dude, if your back's against a wall, you get some bad news, you just got to take it 1 hour, 1 second, 1 day at a time and just keep grinding through it. So that's my word of advice for today, guys. If life throws you a curveball, stay with it, lean with the dip, and stay after it. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to get after it. That's what we drove 21 hours to do. North Dakota, snow hunt, cornfield, mixed decoy set. Let's go.
What's the plan?
Tell us what we're looking at this morning, or this afternoon.
Well, we found a bunch of birds. We've actually been watching them for a couple days now. We finally just got the permission. So hopefully we can get her done today. Should be a combo hunt with some honkers and some bunch of greenheads. So hopefully they show up on time today and get her done.
Wind chill of about -2 today. It's a little chilly. Had a couple ducks buzz us already while we were setting up.
White monsters.
Should get juicy here in a little bit.
Hello pandas. Sublime snacks for the day.
See these 2 poles right here? This is where they funnel through. They come in. Wind set up perfect. Come in, set in our face. We beat their ass.
Who you want?
That's a good start.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, hey, shoot the geese straight above in a second. Hold on, wait on the ducks.
Mark.
Cash. Hey, shoot the geese. Got to get a mark on it.
All right.
Dude, look at this thing. That's awesome. Look at that one.
That's a young blue right there, son. Dog, dog.
There's 2 birds.
So fast.
Right here.
Kill it! What do you want? Deep. Woo, deep.
Get it. Give.
Pretty one.
Come on, load it.
Right there.
Attaboy. Man.
Dakota, I think it's our spread. I think the U needs to be shaped like this.
They do the same shit. There's 2 cribs on the left. 2 cribs down. You gotta watch those 2. Watch him, watch him.
One's going down.
Watch him. Keep watching him. Those other birds don't even know what fucking happened.
He's down out there.
Hey, get down, watch the other one.
I can't even get to my...
They're locked. Hit him.
This group up front, 2 more to hit him with them.
Hey, left side. Get ready. We're gonna shoot those. Shoot him! Nice! Ah! Hey, we got cribs.
Get that bird! Get that bird, Deep!
Let's go on the left. Kill those 2. Good shit, boys.
Good shooting.
Y'all mad about that?
No, hell no. Call that shit every time.
I rung my ear on that one.
I'm making sure. That's what I'm thinking. I'm just making sure nobody's pissed off.
No, hell no. There's no feeling. There's no feelings today, Carl. Yep.
Kill him!
That one's going down.
Both of them. Watch that second one. Watch that back one.
Oh God. Stop there. Those geese just got.
We take them?
Kill him!
Oh, hey, single out left.
Oh, damn.
Right.
Here. Dead.
Hey, dead bird. Heel. 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 Sit.
We're killing ducks in the middle of a blizzard.
Wherever shoot those.
Go!
We're coming off of.
Get that crib right here in front of us.
Attaboy! Yeah!
Oh, there's another one. Straight. Here. There's a bunch on the left side. Let's go. We're starting to work.
Down the whiskey, I ought to get my money back. Someone said it drowns a memory. Oh, but it ain't doing jack.
We got these ones in front. Yep. Those ones in the back are watching. Hold on, hold on.
Hey. Oh, for not calling a shot.
Yeah, what the heck?
Dakota just killed him.
What's he doing?
Good dog, Cass. Here, Cass.
Get him, Gary.
Hey, out front. Here.
Oh, that was a fucking.
Hey, watch out. These ones just got up.
Right here on the right, boy.
Those are live.
I got light. It ain't even there anymore, bro.
How you feeling, Gramps?
I lost the feeling in my toes about 2 hours ago. It's snowing sideways. It's like 18-degree winds, 18 knots. Sorry. Yeah, it's cold. It's just, that's all there is to it. But look, if you look right down there, it's all worth it.
What's the official count?
33. He found one more. I think we're 1 quarter. We also sailed 3 or 4. We couldn't find all 4.
I want to picture with my daddy Dakota. And my friend, and my best friend.
All right, boys. Wrapping it up here. Freaking blizzard behind me. Snow's blowing. The wind's probably good 12, 15, I'd say, but the wind is just blowing in off our backs here. You can see the stubble's moving, and we're gonna pretty much call it for the day. Stay tuned. More Nodak videos coming. We are hot on them, scouting, trying to find feeds. Some really crazy weather. You gotta work with what you got. So guys, check out the IG Mojo Buck 80 Part-Time Hunter podcast. We'll be recapping all these hunts. I can't even talk with my mouth, it's so cold. You guys, thanks for watching. Catch us on the next one. It's cold, boys.
It's very cold. It's very cold out here. It's a blizzard, and we're all very cold. That's about it. It's very, very cold.
Make it. The navigator is gonna make it. Come on, girl. Down chill. 4,000. Good ain't coming off the floor.
Some of the trains cooking,
I ain't no sucker, I ain't cuffing no action. The streets raised me, I'm a hoe.
Oh, he's probably coming to pick us up.
Justin probably realized that I knew he was going to have to go back down big. Oh, yeah, I thought.
Doug, what's going on?
They're trying to get us out. We stuck like Chuck right now.
Oh!